Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get rotten. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back. How are you guys? Oh my God, it's been forever. Guys, things are happening in the crypto markets where we have dropped a good 20% since the last time I've talked to you. Now we're making potentially an upward trajectory. It was not anticipated the last time I talked to you. I assumed a bullish continuation. Hey, we've had some retracement. Is the bullish continuation still in line? This is where everyone's head's at. We're trying to figure out if the floor is established. There's a lot of analysts saying all kinds of things right now. But before we get into anything and everything crypto related, it is hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. If this is your first time clicking on this video, please hit that subscribe. We're trying to find like-minded individuals like yourselves. Our goal is the same like you. We want to make it in crypto. We want to find altcoins. We want to make informed decisions. And usually that comes with experience, and with the combined goon gang that we have and the crypto enthusiasts that we have, we do feel we make very well informed decisions. So we're going to get right into it with the market. Let me share my screen. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, pow. Bada bing. There we go. We are now there. How is everybody doing? It is finally Thursday. We finally made it, Teddy. But the crypto market cap has retraced from the last time I talked to you. We're now at 2.55 trillion. I believe last time we were around 2.6, maybe 2.62. Hey, Mark. Hey, Red Sox. Hey, Cody. What's going on? Triple G's. Everyone needs to be volted. Volt, volt, volt. What's going on, Cody? Nice to see you, buddy. Smoke that like button. Yes, smoke that like button indeed. What's going on, Red Sox? How's everything going? How's the SCI? How's the STX? How's everything? Mark Noby in the building. We love to see you, buddy. And, Mark Noby doing the real goon stuff behind the scenes. You'll see some of his video edits coming in. He's working alongside our editor Nikita and really making sure you guys have proper content as well. So I appreciate the help from Mark. Shout out to him. So as I was saying, the global crypto market cap has retraced. I assumed, hey, we were going to be in the extreme greed level. We are not in the extreme greed level, right? So we did pull back a little bit. We're still in the greed. We're not neutral, and we're not in the fear either, right? Or extreme fear. I'm feeling, hey, it is okay. We're going to see what this coming weekend will bring in. I do know Powell had some remarks, and those remarks, they say, calmed some folks down and brought the crypto rally back in. But regardless of what Powell feels, I'm not trading on his feelings. I'm trading on what the market is showing and where that sentiment is going. So shout out to the global crypto market cap still being above 1 trillion. Keep in mind, that's where the tables turned, guys. We were streaming all the way to 1 trillion global crypto market cap. And there was a point where I looked into this camera right here and I said, hey, I think we're going to see this dip below. And then boom, out of nowhere, it started going up like anything. So it was awesome. Teddy, I bought HDRO and LSDFI. Oh, Red Sox, those are interesting. Do you buy those on Coinbase? Where'd you buy those? I've never heard of these. I got to look them up after. I've been hearing a lot of good things about FET, FET, Fetch AI. It seems like they're making some good moves as well. And a bunch of the goons in the Telegram have been telling me about Caspa, and I thought that was interesting. They're trying to make Caspa miners continue to be affordable, so people can buy them and mine Caspa as well. So that seems interesting to me also. We're going to continue on with the crypto heat map. We got Bitcoin at 68. Really, we need to push this above 70. What's interesting is I have a few news articles that are talking about the potential next Bitcoin price action and where we're going to see it. I do want to highlight those. news articles as well when the time comes during the news segment. But what's important now is you're seeing a shift. You're seeing a shift where Ethereum is going down in dominance. Normally we've seen it keep a steady 16% and above, and BTC still holding steady at 52, maybe even hitting 53 as we progress. But really, the dominance is shifting towards the altcoins. Yet again, people either stabling up or people getting into the alts. So I've seen big rallies for XRP. I've seen big rallies for ENS, AVAX, ADA, BNB. Solana is having some retracement, but it's expected before the next push. That push is going to happen. That global crypto market cap is going to go up. When it goes up, people are going to make informed and educated guesses or uninformed guesses and just buy whatever they see and whatever they've heard that sounds good, right? So when the time happens, I do believe we will see more price action go. I can totally see BNB hitting 1200, guys. I'm not. It's the INJ ecosystem. I see INJ ecosystem, HydroFi. How the heck do I need to find a way that I can copy this. 1 second. And no. How do I copy your link? I'll go check it out for you, buddy. I gotcha. I got it. Oh my god, this is a crazy link. Here we go. HydroFi. All right, and this is just to check out Red Sox's project that he's in. Seems very interesting. Hydro is the ultimate injective native LSD-FI protocol. Maximize yield with LSD. Real LSD. Why does it sound familiar? Is this something? Wait a second. I know why LSD sounds familiar. Oh my god. Okay, and real yielding assets, ROI and farming. Okay. 83 following 50.4K. Yeah, followed by Red Sox. There you go. Injective. Whoa, there's all these groups in there. I haven't even heard of any of these. Vessel. Duck is Vessel. HDRO is now listed on CoinGecko. All right. Well, this is interesting, Red Sox. Maybe you're in something early and I have no clue what it is. Injective Ecosystem Week. Yeah. It almost sounds like a VVS Finance, but except it's for injective instead. All right, we're gonna keep it going. So I love the heat map, and the last thing I want to talk about is what is trending. Oh my god, Teddy, wormhole. I think this was an airdrop that came in for many. Hey, it's your trace that's $1, but the way that wormhole and Jupiter in the past have been, which was also Jupiter airdrop, right? What was it, like 700 million dollars spread across millions of million wallets or something? But people still traded it. They ran the price up. Their price came back down. So I expect the same thing for Wormhole as well. It finally happened. We saw it come in at like almost $1.36, and we're at $1.07. I do expect this is gonna stabilize. Once it does, that's when I want to catch it on the way up. Right now, the entire crypto market is downtrending from the last week, right? From the last week, we're almost down 6%, 3%. And for some of the alts, we're down a good 10% on some, while under 10 for others. But we haven't seen anything too drastic. But Wormhole just got listed, so that's why it's really high right now. And then I think Floki had some retracement, and really the meme coins all did, right? So we even talked about, hey, what's Bonk looking at? And I got a good Bonk article I want to share with you guys as well. Let me see here. I am going to also talk about ordinals, because one of the things that we're forgetting is ordinals and all the movements and things it's done for that NFT market in order to continue offering smart contracts really on the Bitcoin blockchain, right? So as Bitcoin's price goes up, and if they're not going to patch anything with the program data bug, I do expect Ordinal's price to continue to rise. Also, currently, we're sitting at 62. I can see this as high as 120. I think we're still quite early to what Bitcoin is going to do. And, this is a long term hold here. Cat in a dog's world. Wow, this is an interesting one. I didn't see this. Oh yeah, Dog with Hat had another great all-time high, and then it retraced, so that was expected. But really, all crypto meme coins had like a drastic retracement. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm here for it. And with that, we're gonna go over to the news. Let me go over to the news. And one of the main things I want to talk about is Certic came out with how much money? How much money have people lost in Q1? And they said, hey, it's about it's over 500 million, right? 522 million stolen by exploiters. So I thought that was interesting because they reported as an increase of 54% compared to 2023 Q1. And it's just like mind boggling to me because I go, hey, we have the global crypto market cap less than it was potentially in 2022 or 2020 itself, right? And then you assumed all these hackers are getting um, tired of, or even finding people to continue to exploit. But it looks like, no, these guys are getting more and more clever. They're making their process better and better, and they continue to attack victims, and they literally are still getting money. And it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that we're in such a decentralized platform that there is no regulation, and these hackers are able to get away with it. And because there is no regulation, that's where that whole political uh, it's a political topic really on whether we want to include regulation on the blockchain or not. I say keep it decentralized just to educate the masses, but even now you go in 2024, they're not getting educated, even with all the preventive measures they've done. You go, who do you blame? Is it user error, or are we gonna continue to support the hackers here and just let them do whatever they want? So at this current point, we do know that the government does go after crypto hackers as well, and when they're found, it's like a whole thing. But at the same time, you go, hey, they're still allowing them to do it and get away with it, and they may never be caught. They only catch like X percentage out of all the people that do it. We need a foolproof plan in order to really progress and show people the power of crypto, right? So quite interesting, definitely. A number I was surprised by, but we'll see what ends up happening as we go into Q2. I also had another article I want to bring to your guys' attention regarding, hey, where is Bitcoin's price headed? How high? How high are we going to see this? And there's these guys, Plan B. They have that pseudonym, and it's Bitcoin. That Bitcoin will hit. Bitcoin will hit 100,000 in 2024, guaranteed, and we're never going to see below 60,000 Bitcoin ever again. Is the assumption that they are making, right? And even going higher, they go, hey, I can see Bitcoin go all the way to 500,000. It may not happen overnight, but it is something that they have speculated. And they've even talked about as high as 1 million, right? In a totally optimistic perspective. And really, that perspective comes with this SDF, which is the stock to flow. I don't use this indicator that much, but there are people that use it to gauge how high BTC could run to. I'm cool with the fib retracement. It usually tells me enough to figure out, hey, where BTC is headed. But, in the grand scheme of things, it does sound like this is a bullish trend. And one of the main things that they hit on is seeing retracements, multiple retracements of 20 to 30% dips. Getting corrections in a bull market is completely okay. And we may be going through a correction right now, and it may be completely okay. We still got the halving. We still have positive news impacts going in to potential ETFs approval for Ethereum. We've already had bullish news with the XRP case and that filing and ruling. So you go, hey, there's no more roadblocks, and really crypto is going to push ahead into 2024, and really 2025 is when we're going to see those all-time highs yet again and see that 4-year cycle on repeat, right? So I thought this was very good analysis by Plan B here. And really, you got to take into consideration that he's drawing these from historical analysis, right? Historical trends tells him, hey, this is what he feels about this. So I had a few other uh, articles, and the main one relating to what's happening with AVAX, what's happening with Bonk, and what's happening with Arbitrum. So I'm going to start off with AVAX. We saw AVAX's price go down. It did dip below 50, and we're at 46 right now. Small retracement. I do believe we're going to set a floor before it continues having that bullish trend. But AVAX is one where we're seeing crypto whales come in, and as it says, $52 million purchase. So someone knows something in AVAX. Why else you buying, $52 million of AVAX valued at 2.1 billion in just 3 days, right? And boom, they told another whale, they told another whale, or it's all the same whale, right? But no, the speculation is multiple whales came in and they bought a lot of AVAX. And it is an interesting thing. Hey, $50. If we see AVAX potential 100, 200, then yeah, $50 is nothing. That's easy 4x for these investors, so it makes sense to them on why they're doing this. The rally that they potentially could be shooting for is past $65, in my opinion. They got it at the $50 mark. Maybe you guys even grab it at the 47. And there is the 20 to 30% correction that can still happen before we see all-time highs as high as 65. So I thought this was an interesting analysis. I thought it was very good that they're pointing out like the MACD was about to have like a bullish crossover. Things were happening. And I thought, okay, let's see where AVAX is going to go. And I thought the entry point makes sense. And I'll even show you during the chart segment exactly where AVAX is with the entry points. Let me see here. I'm going to continue on with the Bonk. And we do have things happening with Bonk, right? Even with the Bonk, we got that MACD showing that, hey, potentially a bullish sentiment is happening. And Bonk is the Solana's ecosystem, right? The meme coin for Solana is Bonk. It's low market cap. It can definitely run way quicker than some of these other meme coins, and it's even beat out Floki, right? Bonk is just making rally after rally, even during this downtrend and retracement we're going through right now. And hey, people are speculating where Bonk could go into this next rally. And really, I think before we even talk about the next rally, Bonk price action has been downtrending. Yeah, it followed some of the meme coin rally, but it's truly been tanking since the initial all-time high. So I'm looking at the support level. They predict a support level at 4021, and I'll show you Bonk even during the chart segment that I'm going, hey, potentially there is a bullish sentiment, but really, what if the bearish sentiment continues? We really needed some inside information for Bonk to know, hey, something's happening with Bonk. So it's on my radar. I'm considering getting into it just because of the high risk, high reward that potentially is there. Not putting all my eggs in there, but just enough that I know, hey, potentially this is where this is going to go. And then finally, I have Arbitrum, where people are going, hey, Arbitrum has cooled down. There's no volume there. Nothing's happening. Barely any movement. Is it a great time to buy, right? And we've really looked at the price action. It continues to diminish. We're at $1.04, and now people are going, hey, it's going to recover to $1.75, $1.08. So $1.04 does not seem too bad. As we speak. Triple G's, what's going on? Clean Spoke, nice to see you, buddy. Always a pleasure. Just talking about these alts, and really I hit on Bonk, Arbitrum, and AVAX, right? So really a lot of things that the crypto goons are wondering, hey, are we still getting into a rally? If we are, what are the alts that we should be looking at? And this is why I'm highlighting some of these articles so we can make those educated decisions. So it definitely feels authentic to know that, hey, Arbitrum's activity has diminished. Maybe the price action finally is reflecting what's happening on the chain, and maybe this is the time to buy. Because when people start looking again, for an alternate chain, because Ethereum network fees right now are $60 to get on the chain because gas fees increased and they won't roll out the remaining updates to get those gas fees less. Ethereum Foundation got to make that money, right? People are going to look at other blockchains, Arbitrum being another layer too that could be leveraged in place of Ethereum's gas fees if you don't want to deal with them, right? So definitely intriguing to me. I'm continuing to be hopeful about the Arbitrum utility. And a lot of the utility is mainly gas fee related, which even Matic, right, solves. So we hope that, hey, this is a good entry point in, and we'll see if we're gonna continue to make uh, moves up. And the interesting part is in March, right? They do say they saw a death cross, and they still go bullish on the actual recovery of Arbitrum. So death crosses come, death crosses go, golden crosses come, golden crosses go. So we got to figure out when we get in, when we get out. So if you think this is good entry point and your exit's $1.75 to $1.80, hey, why not? If you're in it for the long run, and we know Arbitrum is going to be $10 to $12 in the future, it don't even matter if I get in at $1.04, $1.07, $1.08. It won't matter, right? We're in it for the long run. Gas is pretty low right now. Okay, right now it's low. That's great. That's great, dude. I promise you, it was not like that before. I was taking a look myself, and I'm like, dude, what the hell? How is it so high? Oh man, how are things been? How are you been? Man, I see you gooning out with me over at Explore the Weird. I constantly see you comment. You're like, Teddy, why'd you release a video while I'm at work? Damn it. I'm like, buddy, I don't plan these things out. It just happens. They said this is the best time to release a video. Let me see here. I think that's literally all I had for the news. We may actually have to move over, um, go into the chats. Go into the chats, Teddy. And bro, I'm gonna go through the full list because there's a lot we need to catch up on. A lot of retracements happening, a lot of quick turnover. So a lot of speculation. Short signal. Hey, is it gonna hold? We got the triple G shorts. Notoriously, we've been lucky with the shorts. The long comes in quickly after, and it's been helping push the trend. And we hope, hey, this is what's happening here. And then boom, we're going to have another crossover. And I do want to zoom in on the Andean to just show you how narrow it's getting again. And hey, when the Andean flips and it's another bullish sentiment, hey, it's sideways trading anywhere from 60 to 70,000 right now. And really the profit taking mark being our one, which is 73 or even 81, being achievable if we close above 68, right? And currently we're 68 too. And really we need to get to 68.9, right? That's the level that I want to close Bitcoin at, to say, hey, Bitcoin's going to have a continued. Hey, Dynastic Wolf, nice to see you, buddy. Always a pleasure. Appreciate you. We're just talking all things chats. We're looking at the chats. So I'm going, hey, 69K is doable. We've seen that retracement. We've seen the bounce back. We've seen that support right around the 64K mark. Now, it's just a matter of time, I believe, before we see the continued push into the halving. I think that rally is going to continue, and people are going to be caught off guard when it does continue. So when it comes to Ethereum, the short signal has been steady. We have been slowly bleeding out. We have been catching support at the 3,200. 3,100 mark and and going right back potentially to other resistance levels. But really, it's been a strong resistance right at 3,450. I really hope we break through the barrier. I want to close above 3,700. That is where I put Ethereum to go bullish again. If we do not get to 3,700 in these upcoming weeks, yeah, continued short. Yeah, I think this is going to widen. We definitely need the ETF rally to come in to help push us in the right direction. So Ethereum, I 100% am super pessimistic on it right now, only for the reasons of we have ETF rally and not anything is happening with the ETF rally. It had its great run to 4K, boom, we're going right back down. No positive news came out, and then the chain itself, people are looking at other things. 69 is definitely doable. 69, what? Oh boy. Cody Core having real fun, huh? What's going on, Cody? So yeah, that's what I had for BNB. Gonna continue on, Teddy. BNB. So that's all I had for ETH. We're gonna continue on with BNB. So for BNB, we are so close. I do believe we're gonna again test and see if we close above the 0.618. It's a matter of time that we're going to. I mean, just look at the level of support we caught at 570, right? So if this continues to push and we close, I do believe 645 and eventually 737 is going to be achieved during this next rally and push up. So as this global crypto market cap goes up, and it could be slowly going up, every day more and more. And if that continues, that's what it'll be. Yeah, I see what you were doing, buddy. I see what you were doing. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, man. Oh, man. So yeah, that was pretty much BNB for me. I'm going super bullish on BNB. You guys already know I feel the same way about Solana, and this time we have the fib retracement on Solana. We went from the last high to the last low before it took off. It retraced. Hey, what I'm looking for is closing above 190, 183. Hey, it's peanuts to me, but I do believe once 190 is hit, it's going to close. I do know Andean is narrowing. Andean's narrowing for a lot of cryptos right now, but the triple G indicator is still holding that long position. So I'm going, hey, potentially this is going to hold out, but if some negative news comes out, then definitely this is going to drop. So we talked about XRP, and really for me it was the 65 cents. Hey, I want to be above that, but unfortunately it is not looking like it's going to do that anytime soon. We've seen the Andean go wider, and we've seen it dip below our level of support there at 58. So we're going, hey, where is it next headed to? I really want to say, hey, 51, but Triple G gives me some level of hope and says, hey, 56.81 is the next level of support. I've seen it bounce back off that the last 2 days, but for XRP, we really need the army to come together and push this up, because if you look at it from my perspective, I can kind of see the head, shoulder form, and you guys know head, shoulder, Teddy. So I'll just show you that head, shoulder, pattern, and here it is. So usually the head shoulder pattern comes in and the price drops, right? If it does not go below the neckline. So there's like this neckline, and depending on this shoulder, if it drops below this neckline, we're going to see it downtrend, right? So I'm going to go back to XRP. So assume this is my neckline, right? 59, or even being optimistic here, 56 is my neckline. If this drops, in theory, and you guys are seeing this, head, shoulder. If this drops below 56, then yeah, I would think reckoning is coming. So that this is one of the things that is keeping me like the reality check. Hey, if XRP is gonna tank, do we really understand crypto at all? This is one of the initial crypto armies that truly got most people enthusiastic about crypto and fighting the fight against the SEC. And you start to wonder, is this even plausible? And it is something to consider. And everyone has their own analysis. Just make educated guesses. I'm still looking at it from my perspective. I don't care if I get in at 59. I don't care if I get in at 43. If my end goal, I see XRP at $1.06, right? So that's literally what it comes down to. All right, you out of here, Clean Smoke. I shall see you next time, buddy. Thanks for checking in on us. I always appreciate you. Um, and we're gonna continue on Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu. Hey, we've had that retracement. We had the Andean finally do the confirmation. Yeah, hey, it crossed over, but look how narrow the Andean is, right? So I go, hey, if this continues having another bullish trend, it's going to continue doing that upward trend. And they're all dancing around the 0.618 level right now. All charts mostly are right around the 0.618 level. It's just a couple of cents, even for XRP. It's 5 cents, right? 5 cents it closes, boom, we go parabolic. Same thing with SHIB. So I'm waiting. I'm not nervous, but I am optimistic. I'm not pessimistic, and I'm not nervous. So Dogecoin. We're seeing the narrowing. We're feeling the market sentiment, but we're still above the 0.618 that we have from the fib retracement. So that still puts me optimistically. I do believe 28 cents can be achieved. Hey, now we're forming a potential downtrend that is happening, but really we've got some good support around 17-18 cents. So I'm hoping we're gonna see yet again catch support, and as the global crypto market cap continues to go upward, this will trend upward as well. And then it's the same thing with Pepe. We saw the confirmation signal get confirmed, just like SHIB, right? And now we go, hey, Pepe's following market conditions, but unlike SHIB, Pepe is dancing around the 0.236. It's got a lot of monster moves it needs to make in order to get to the 0.618. But because it's that low market cap, it absolutely could. Yo, Teddy, we dropping a token Sunday on Sol. Meow Space token. And I think you gotta hear this. No BS. I think you may like the idea behind it. Wait, isn't there already a Meow we're in? Aren't we in Nakos? What happened with the Nakos? What happened with Nakos? Yeah, keep me updated. F Joe, I always would love to know. Soul Train, keep me updated. I'd love to know what's going on, buddy. And continuing on after Pepe, I want to talk about Bonk. Hey, is Bonk going to have an upward trajectory in the foreseeable future? And we have the widening of the Andean. At first, it was narrowing when we had the 3, 4, 5 days that we had of bullish sentiment, and it followed every other meme coin. We partnership with Nico. Okay, there we go. Love to hear it. And Andean then ends up going wider because we had people taking profits, right? Now, because this is low market cap and it's the Solana's premier meme coin, you're hoping that, hey, it's going to catch support again. Hopefully 4019. And if it does, it'll have that upward trend continue. So I'm still speculating. I don't know if it's actually going to happen. I would love for Bonk to continue having the upward trajectory, but because I'm seeing the widening of the Andean, I say maybe not yet. Maybe there's going to continue to bleed before we see the next leg up. Let me see here. That was Bonk. Where's my Arbitrum? I thought I had Arbitrum on here. I want to talk about Arbitrum and AVAX as well. Maybe I'll do AVAX first, and then we'll go check out Arbitrum. So here's AVAX. Andean crossed over. We got the short signal coming in, and this is where I'm going, hey, the short signal came in. Maybe I go short, but almost every time this short came in, it's found good support levels back up. But at the same time, AVAX does scare me. And we talked about the the news article that talked about, hey, potential AVAX moves up with all these whales coming in. This is why I'm saying those whales have to know something, because without like some inside information, why the heck are you spending $2.1 billion into April as you're doing this, right? So one of the things, Andean does a confirmation sell, and we have the sell by the Triple G. In my mind, I'm going, this is a sell, but something must be happening on that chain. And we've seen this with Dogecoin, right? Where 187,000 wallet addresses were created right before the Dogecoin pump. And then we're like, hey, almost a month before, why were this many wallet addresses created? And now look at Dogecoin, right? It's 22 cents and booming. So maybe someone knows something with AVAX. That's really what I'm feeling. I understand there's a short. I personally still look at it. I go short. I'm going what the signal says, but the article was interesting enough that I wanted to bring it to your guys' attention. So make educated decisions, and that's why I show you the chart. The other one was ordinals. And the reason I told you guys I went bullish on it was, hey, Bitcoin is going bullish. A lot of analysts continue to speculate Bitcoin's price above 100,000. Ordinals being tangent with Bitcoin, right? Works off of the Bitcoin blockchain. I go, hey, this Andean's going to flip over too, and we may see ordinals take off. I don't care if I get into ordinals at 64 or 55 if I expect ordinals at 96, right? Right? 30% plus increase here, guys. So make smart decisions. This short signal lasted for quite some time. I do believe it'll be another quick flip, and if it'll grow with market sentiment there. And let me also review ARB, and I will move on over to Goon Time, which is your time. You can literally ask me to review any chat, and I will look at the chats. I'll look at the chats. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. So this is at $1.44 is where Arbitrum support is. I'm hoping it stays here. If it doesn't, we know Triple G indicator came in short. Really short came in on that Friday, right? March 14th. And we've been going for a while. So if we catch the support and we continue to have a reversal, we're really looking at resistance at $2.27. So it is something that is plausible. We stay in this range, and we just have to find our way up and down if you're doing daily trades, right? We've been down this path before. This is basically what happens. Quick flips on the Andean indicate, hey, we're going sideways. It'll be up and down, but it's pretty much sideways in the window. So that's what you see here with ARB. And now we see the widening, and it's been wide for quite some time, right? It's not a quick flip. It's been wide for quite some time. So I do expect some long position to come in, some rally to come in and give some relief, at least to the $1.75 to $1.80. And that's exactly what that article was pointing out. And that's why I think, hey, these levels can be achieved even today. And that is pretty much what I wanted to cover. I'm just going to go through the chat in case I missed any. HDRO, LSDFI. Let me actually see if I see HDRO for you. Red Sox. HDRO, no. Let me see. LSDFI. No, not here. But doesn't mean it's not real. Let me see here. We'll keep building HDRO. Find JNI soon. How do I actually see trade? Glaze X complete. What? Dora first injective. How did you buy this, sir? CoinGecko. Well, it's on CoinGecko. Let's go check there first. All right, CoinGecko. Price action 43 cents. Markets. Show me where I can buy this. Helix Exchange. And it's tied with INJ. Okay, I need to figure out Helix Exchange and see if I can grab this. But 43 cents, not that bad. Let me see. 3 months. This started March 16th. Yeah. Started at 18 cents. You're at 43. Hey, that's not bad for injective. This seems interesting. HDRO. It's number 737. And it's actually with INJ and INJ top 100. I may look into this. So where did you buy this Red Sox is what I wonder. I may have to DM you later. All right, so that was HDRO. What was the other one? LSDFI. Let me see if LSDFI made some moves. LSDFI. LSDFI is on here. Oh no, it's not. LSDFI is the actual DeFi for Injective, I guess. So the actual coin was HDRO on LSDFI, right? Is that how you say it? I'm sorry, I'm just learning this, all right? Give me a break. Wait, but then shouldn't I see HDRO on here? Teddy, it's like DeFi. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking it is because I see it's a category here. So that's what I figured. LSDFI. Is this it? LSDFI? LSD? Yeah, I think that's it. LSD. So there you go. Boom. And then we're right there. And this is no, this isn't it. Whoops. Stake INJ and earn HDRO. Wait, didn't you also say you were something about LSD? Or was that just me? I'm like, hey, why does this sound familiar? LSD. Yeah, you did say LSDFi is just like DeFi. Okay, fair. Damn it. Interesting. I need to do more research, but it looks like there are things happening here. Origin ETH. Oh, ETH. So what is this? Is this pegged to ETH? Yeah, this is pegged to ETH on this. Okay, interesting. Oh, so you're staking INJ to earn HDRO? You're not even buying HDRO directly from the exchange here? You don't want to buy it from Helix Exchange? Come on, man. It's a decentralized exchange. Helix Exchange. Injector Pro has rebranded to Helix. See? Oh, you got both. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now that makes sense. Yeah, dude, I'm 100% feeling this. Everything you've shared so far, knowing how Injective is, yeah, this very well is plausible. $32 now. Seen Injective go all the way to like 70 in the past, right? So it's doable. It's 100% doable. Or like 50 in the past. Sorry. Thought it was like 70, 48. That's not bad. I staked IJ and bought more HDRO. Okay, yeah. I mean, if Red Sox is doing this, Red Sox makes some good predictions. So I feel he is onto something here. I like that. I like that, Red Sox. Thanks for informing us goons about this. Very informative. Let me see. Peek at Fox on Flare FLX. Let me see. Fox on Flare. Wait, where have I seen Flare before? We used to look at Flare FLR Flare. Dude, let me see if Fox just shows up. Fox. Shapeshift. Fox. Smart Fox. Damn, there's a lot of Foxes. Which Fox are you? This is Coinbase Exchange. Probably not this one. How do I? Thanks, Red Sox. Yeah, dude. Red Sox. We learned a lot. Wait, Coochie Boy, tell me how to check Flare network again. Flare. No, but like, how do I check Dex Tools then FLR? No, I meant like, how do I check Fox on Flare? I guess. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy. 3 cents. Not bad. Where are we seeing Flare as high as 5 cents? Yeah. It's a fair retracement. It's slowly making a recovery, Teddy. Oh, go to Flare Chain on Dex. Oh my God. Thank you. That makes sense. I was like, what the hell? I'll type in FLR. And then FOX. And then wait, what the hell? Flare. Here we go. Whew. Flare Fox. Dog with tongue. I'm assuming it's this one. Bro, this is up a lot, bro. What the hell? FLX. Holy crap. All-time high. We're looking at all-time high. Low market cap, though. 5.54. So what do you know? How did you get into this? Well, you can try and Blaze Swap. Doesn't support Flare, but you can try and Blaze Swap. It's getting a red candle now. People selling, shrimp selling, Teddy. Volatility new. What is this? Volatility equals 24 volume divided by liquidity. All right, that's interesting. I kind of like that. Interesting metric. Yeah, no, this looks good. Nothing bad. No, it's too new for me to say anything. So far, so good. How did you get into this? Buy FLR, then swap for FLX on Blaze Swap. Okay, so that's the best way to do it. Yeah, because I know I can buy FLR on Flare, and then I guess, yeah, go to Blaze Swap and just buy it. Yeah, makes sense. All right, I'm not seeing anything else, guys. That is it. I go bye-bye. I will see you again Monday. Monday. Hopefully everything is good. Let me see. Is Monday's Eclipse Day. All right, so that will be fun. We are gonna have some fun that day as well. So I will see you then. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get wrapped up. Yeah. 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 Get informed.